How to install Orangefox Recovery R11 on Poco X2. In this video, I'll show you two ways of installing the recovery. First method is if you are on stock ROM and install the recovery for the first time, and second method is how to install this Orangefox Recovery if you are on any other recovery. Do not skip the video as each and every process is important. So let's see the first method. If you are on stock ROM, first unlock the bootloader. Then boot your phone to fast boot, that is volume down and power button. Let's get to the PC. On PC, download the Orangefox Recovery ROM and paste it into the platform tools folder. As you can see, I have pasted it. As you can see, this one. Now just extract it. Extract to platform tool folder. Here you find a folder. Here you find the recovery. As you can see, just copy that recovery. Go back in platform tools folder and paste it, and just copy the recovery name, Ctrl C. Now just connect your phone to PC in fastboot mode. After that, just go over here and type CMD. Here just first check the phone is connected or not, that is fastboot devices. It will not show as I have not connected my phone. When you have connected your phone, it will show device number. Now type fastboot flash recovery. Recovery name, that is recovery.img, and just enter it. After entering this, your phone will boot to the recovery. Let's get to the phone. Once you are booted to the recovery, now just go to the recovery file location. I have downloaded it. So just click on it and swipe to flash. After flashing it, your recovery will be installed permanently. Now the second method. If you are on the official TWRP or any other recovery, the process is extremely easy. Just boot to the recovery. Suppose you are on TWRP, just boot to the recovery and just flash the recovery file, that is this zip. I am currently on the Orangefox old recovery, so I'll just flash it. Just click on it and swipe to flash. As you can see, it's flashing. After flashing, it will automatically reboot to the recovery. As you can see, we are booted. Now my phone is encrypted, so I'll just enter the password. As you can see, the recovery is installed permanently. Done. The process is extremely easy. Now let's check some features. In files, you can choose the file you have to flash. Here you get 3 dots. In this you can auto-detect the file, show hidden files, make file icon bigger, batch icon, create folder and action. Then you can sort by name, date, size, all files, zip files and img files. You can also source the file. And down here you can choose the file from internal storage, micro SD, OTG or favorites folder. Here you can back up all your data. Then wipe, you can also wipe all things. In format data, you can format your phone. And in 3 dot section, you can mount. In mount section, you get system and everything. You can mount it. Then in manage partition, you can manage the partitions. Then you get ADB and side load. Here you can flash the ROM using ADB, that is using the PC. Then you get Fox add-ons. Here you can add the Fox add-on, that is Orangefox add-ons. Then you get reboot, that is you can reboot to system, fast boot, recovery, etc. In more sections you get terminal, copy log to SD and fix contest. In settings, you get generals. In this you get options like mount system and vendor, use RAM instead of formatting, zip signature verification, never show mount system, force fast charge, auto-detect the files, show hidden file. In reboot configuration dialog, you get never, always and when no OS is installed, and you also get option of recovery performance mode. Then you get OTA and ROMs. Here you can flash the OTA update. They get customizations. In this you can choose a theme, gesture, navbar. You can also choose the navbar settings. Then you get status bar, lock screen, splash, keyboard, font, etc. In security, you get run ADB on startup, text password, pin code, and gesture key. In display, you can choose the brightness and display timeout. In LED settings, you can choose the use green LED color. In vibrations, you can choose the vibrations. In backup, you can take a backup of the recovery. And regional, you can choose the language and about section for Orangefox Recovery. So this is how you install the Orangefox Recovery on Poco X2. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?